Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Today we are going to talk about 11 exercise mistakes that will keep you from being thin or muscular. You have already paid the annual gym membership fee. You have also begun a ketogenic diet to reduce your weight. But why aren't the results noticeable? Here are the top 11 gym blunders that never help you get fitter, thinner or more muscular. 1. You mimic the strategies used by others. Find a reputable trainer to assist you if you need help using a device or getting started if you're unsure how to proceed. Do not simply copy other visitors. Fitness professionals with the necessary training may create training plans that are effective and efficient for you. 2. Messy posture. For instance, if you lift weights with poor posture, you run the danger of injuring your tendons, joints, and ligaments as well as getting no results. First, make an effort to strengthen your weak muscles. To reduce your chance of injury, a good fitness trainer can also help you move and stand correctly when exercising. 3. Your exercise repetitions and sets are not effective. Focus your training time on lifting weights with less force rather than exercising at an intensity that is too light yet with too many repetitions, which is one of the blunders beginners make. Beginning with sets of 4 to 6 or 5 to 7 is a good idea. By doing so, you can work out for less time while yet getting results that seem much greater in terms of muscular strength. It appears as though you are only concentrating on one muscle at a time if you are continually forced to perform high reps. Instead, focus on a range of motions that engage numerous muscles simultaneously, simulating how the body naturally moves to achieve better outcomes. 4. Your training is being done half-heartedly. Many people mostly engage in the workouts they find enjoyable or decide to avoid others because they are challenging. You won't make the desired result if that is the case. The intensity of your workout and your heart rate can be increased in a variety of ways, including by adding cardio intervals, raising weights, changing the equipment you use, adding resistance, adding more bursts of energy, training one side at a time, or mixing numerous circuits. To increase calorie burn, combine cardio with resistance training. 5. Your workout routine is unbalanced. In order to ensure that each muscle group performs at its highest level while avoiding tiredness and the risk of overtraining, it is crucial to determine which muscle groups you will exercise on which days. Although exercises that target several muscle groups are desirable, some muscles might perform at the best when exercised one at a time. As a result, it's crucial to balance your exercises by combining isolated and compound motions. By substituting one solo exercise for every 2 or 3 mixed exercises, you can maximize your gym training time. 6. You have no consistent schedule. While it might be challenging to maintain consistency, there are methods to challenge yourself and maintain your passion for working out. Discover what suits you best, then incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine. 7. Insist on doing the difficult and heavy things. The improper approach to the gym and the high risk of injury include beginning an exercise without warming up or leveling up to higher weights too rapidly. Remember the 2-to-2 rule while progressing from lighter to heavier weights. Don't gain weight unless you can accomplish 2 or more reps that are more than your objective number of reps for 2 consecutive exercises. That is, wait to increase your weight figure until you can comfortably complete 15 reps during the following 2 training sessions if your initial goal was to lift 10 pounds for 12 repetitions. Increase the weight by a few pounds just after that, which is more for the bigger muscles. 8. You eat a small number of calories. You need at least 500 calories in your body to be able to reduce fat in the best possible way. If you don't provide your body with enough calories, it will adjust by burning less calories in an effort to maintain vital processes like breathing and blood pressure regulation rather than growing muscle. Your strength levels are also impacted by inadequate nutrition, which might delay your recovery. Instead of using the protein in your diet to repair and rebuild muscle, your body will use it as fuel for energy. Eat plenty of veggies, lean protein, and healthy fats, and watch your portion sizes. 9. Overeating after a workout. Many people desire to rapidly sate their hunger after a particularly challenging workout since the calories they consume will make up for, or worse, increase, what they have lost in energy. All of your efforts throughout this time could simply be undone by this. Within 45 minutes of finishing your workout, consume an after-workout snack that is high in carbohydrates and protein. After working out, chocolate milk or Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of honey efficiently delays hunger. Alternatively, drink a protein shake made with whey protein or pea protein. Continue with additional fiber and protein-rich snacks to help you feel fuller for a longer period of time. 10. Long time spent in the gym. It's not necessary to work out for several hours to get results. You don't actually get better during practice. Between workouts, you improve. To optimize the benefits of your training, you must rest. You can achieve the best outcomes by eating optimally and getting enough rest in between workouts. Aim for only 12 to 15 reps and no more than 2 to 3 sets every training session, while keeping the weight and number of sets focused on your goal. You will waste more time at the gym than that. 11. You aren't sleeping enough. Lack of sleep raises the likelihood of injury because the body cannot recover correctly, and it also puts your health at danger since you are pushing your body beyond what it can handle. The health dangers such as hormonal imbalance, exhaustion, diminished strength and stamina, and even death. Your age, degree of fitness, and amount of exercise will all influence how much rest you require. The American College of Sports Medicine advises exercising every major muscle group 2 to 3 times a week and giving your body 48 hours to recover between workouts. Thanks for watching Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.